for the OFW na repatriated. This is for OFWs in general.
Oh, good.
So yes, yeah, hindi to, we just launched it because we can see ang dami nang na repatriate. So
Mm.
at least alam nila that they can count on the Marcos administration
Mm.
to assist them na makausad sila, because most of them actually may mga negosyo na sa Philippines eh. So
Mm.
since nandito na sila, I mean nasa Philippines na sila, pwede na silang mag-expand.
Mm.
So meron po itong funding for them. What is the requirement? Number one, business name registration
Okay.
or SEC. Number two, bank account.
Mm.
Just their bank account or the bank statement. Number three, mayor's permit or business permit kasi kailangan nila maging government compliant. And number four, picture ng negosyo nila. That's all
Okay.
that's needed.
Mm.
Yun lang po ang kailangan. Tapos pwede na silang umutang.
Mm.
And this is an online application,
Oh,
so they
good.
can go to sbcorp.gov.ph or they can go to SB Corp Money App. So dun sila pwedeng mag-onboard if if they want to apply online. Kung gusto pa nila magtanong ng mga questions or more information, they can
Mm.
go to the different regional offices nationwide. We have 18 regional offices nationwide, and we have 1,344 negosyo centers nationwide din. So, ang best para sa kanila is to go also to the regional offices and the negosyo centers para ma-inquire din nila, aside from the loans, what are the other opportunities, possibilities that the DTI or the Philippine government or the Marcos administration has to offer for itong mga negosyante.
Mm.